Alright, so welcome back. In this video we're going to be talking all about Yoast SEO, which is mainly a WordPress plugin which is fantastic to make your WordPress website optimized for search engines. So this is their main website, yoast.com. As you can see, it's quite a simple plain website just with the main details about it. And this is the dashboard. Once you've installed it, you'll see it says Yoast SEO Posts Overview. Posts with good SEO score 1, as I have recently in another video showed you how to optimize a post, as you can see, which is why it says one of them is optimized already. And then we have analyze the entire site, and then just a few other things on here which isn't really very important. To install the plugin, all you need to do is scroll down and head over to plugins and click add new. And then once it's loaded, just go into type and type Yoast, Y-O-A-S-T, hit enter, and then go to Yoast SEO and click install now, just like all the others. And then once it's installed, click activate. And once it's activated, this is the settings for Yoast SEO. You have dashboard, general, features, your info, webmaster tools, and then security. None of this is too important, so just get rid of that and close it. The main importance is that whenever you edit a page, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, just here you have Yoast SEO. As you can see on the right as well, you can see SEO is good for this page and readability needs improvement. So it gives you steps to improve the readability. So if it's in red, it needs a lot of work done to it. If it's in orange, it needs a little bit. So it's only a little bit important. If it's in red, it's very important. And if it's in green, it means it's perfect. So as you can see, the SEO is in green, which means it's perfect. Overall, it's perfect, but there are a few things which are still in red. For example, the focus keyword doesn't appear in the first paragraph of the copy. So in this text, the focus keyword isn't in the first paragraph, which is bad for SEO. So all I need to do is add the focus keyword, which is online courses. As you can see, you can set that just here. All I need to do is add that to the first paragraph, which is nice and easy. And as you can see, you can also edit all of these different things. For example, your slug, the SEO title, and the meta description. That's all really easy to edit. And then you can choose your focus keyword just by typing it in here. And then, of course, we have the steps to optimize your page or post or product for SEO. So you can do this with many different things, whether it's obviously a website page, a web page, a blog post, or a product using WooCommerce, which is the WordPress e-commerce plugin to be able to sell products on your website. It's really easy to set up, it's really easy to use, and it really helps the SEO for your website. So yeah, that is Yoast. I recommend it to everyone. It's free unless you want to get the premium version, which I would say is better, but it's quite expensive. So if you're not making too much money from it, I wouldn't recommend getting the paid version. The free version's absolutely awesome, and I would recommend it to everyone. So head over to yoast.com or install the plugin. Here we have smallseotools.com. This is an awesome SEO tool. Well, it's not just an SEO tool, there's about 30 or more here, and they're all free to use, and they've been all gathered together, and they're absolutely awesome. So here we go. There's the many different sections. We have content tools, and then we have image handling tools, we have keywords tools, backlink tools, website tools, tracking tools, proxy tools, domain tools, meta tools, password tools, and finally PDF tools. So that is everything. I'm just going to show you a few of them, how to use them, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Tell you all about the website and why you should use it and why it's so great. So first of all, I'm just going to have a look at one, and we'll be going straight to WordPress theme detector. So if you see a website you like, just use this and you will find out which WordPress theme it's using. So we're going to type in our blackbricktraining.co.uk domain name and then click check and let it just do its thing, and then wait a second, and then it will just pass you the information that you have requested. So it will just take a minute and then let it load in and let it just gather all the information from your website or the website which you're trying to get the WordPress theme from. And this is great if you're looking for a website theme and you don't know which one to use, but you found one you do like on another site, but you're thinking, what even is it? So if you just use this free tool here, you can find out really easily and quickly. Okay, so here we go. If I just scroll down, you can see the results. It says what version it is. It says that it's a multi-purpose, responsive, parallax, mobile-friendly slider plugin for WordPress. And you can see the theme name is B-Theme. The homepage is here. The description of the theme is here. The author homepage, the version, screenshot, and then so on and so forth, all the different parts of information about it. So yeah, that's that. You can then click try new URL to see another website's WordPress theme. So yeah, that's awesome. That one's really helpful if you're looking for a WordPress theme. And now let's look at another one. So if we just keep scrolling down, we can have a look at another one. So let's have a look at this one, keyword position. So if we paste in moz.com, which is a really well-known SEO blog, and then just type in a few different keywords. There we go, we've just put in 3 different keywords. We've got SEO, SEO tips, and optimization. And then if we go down and just click check position, and here we go, SEO keyword starting on google.com. It is on page 1, position 1. Awesome. SEO tips, google.com, page 1, position 14. And then finally, optimization, position 71. So yeah, there we go. From the 3 keywords we've put in, we also have the keyword position. So that is absolutely fantastic. So if you type in SEO on Google, you can see that it will appear in number 1. If you type SEO tips on Google, you will appear at 14, and then optimization is at 71. And then if we just type in SEO optimization instead, it'll be a lot higher, as of course it's a SEO blog. So let's just type that in. So once again, we've got SEO, position 1, page 1, yep. Page 1, position 14 for SEO tips. And then we've got, I'm guessing page 1 for SEO optimization. Yep, there we go, page 1, position 5. Awesome. So that's nice and easy to use and absolutely fantastic. Now we're going to go back to the home page and try out one more of their tools and have a look at it. So here we have website broken link checker. So we're going to click on this one. We're just going to paste in our domain, blackbricktraining.co.uk, and click check, and then let it load. We've got a few links in our website, but not too many, so it won't take too long, I'd say. Here we go. So first of all, we have got Black Brick Training. Okay, we've got the mail, which is not working. That's really helpful for me to know. And then we've got the next one, which is working. Instagram, which is not working. That's not our Instagram account, so that will be why. And what have we got next? We've got okay. These are all ones working. It's fantastic. That's good. That's very good. It's good to see that they're all working so far, other than just that one and that one. These are both easy to fix though, so there's no problem there. And these are still all okay so far, other than those 2. And that's absolutely awesome. And then we've just got the same link a ton of times. And yeah, so we've got 76 links it's checking here. Instagram again, so that one obviously won't work. But let's just make sure all of the others are good. So these are of course all going to be fine, as it's the same link over and over and over again. So I'll skip ahead to when it's all done. Awesome, so that is absolutely all of them now done. This last one's not going to work, as obviously it's the Instagram one again. And we have another fail here, which is once again the Instagram link. So I'm just going to make sure I fix that. But all of the others are working. As you can see, every single one of them is okay, apart from the Instagram ones and this mail to one at the very top. But I can fix that easily as well. So that is absolutely awesome. It's just the Instagram link which I have to fix, so there's no problem there. So as you can see, this is an awesome website, Small SEO Tools. There's tons of different tools for you to use for free, and they're all really good, so I'd recommend it to everyone. We're going to be talking about an SEO tool which is great for local businesses that are trying to find customers local to them. So let's get straight into it. First of all, you want to go to moz.com/local/search, and then you want to type in the name of your business. I'm just going to type in some random letters to find a local business, and yeah, so let's just see what I can find. Alright, so let's just click this one, Audi. So let's click it, and then let it load. It's just searching for everything to do with your business, and all the information, all the data it can find. Alright, so here we go, a local SEO score of 53%. And as you can see, it's got Google+, Facebook, Foursquare, Super Pages. It doesn't have an info group page. It's got Local Ease, Factual, and then there's City Search, Insider Pages. It doesn't have Best of the Web. It has Hot Frog. I'm not sure what that website's. It has this, but I'm not sure what this website's called, so I'm not going to try and pronounce it. And then we've got Yelp, and finally YP. If it's in the orange, it means you have some SEO work to do. But if it's in the red like this, it means you have a lot to do. So yeah, as you can see, some of these are good, some of them are bad. And obviously if it's completely grayed out, they don't even have a page on there. So yeah, that's that. And then it's got some reviews as well. So that's awesome. And then we've got, it shows the incomplete ones. So here we go, we have YP, we have insider pages, we have city search, Facebook, factual, hot frog, best of the web, and info group. And it says no listing is found on best of the web, no listing is found on info group. And then we have inconsistent, so we have insider pages, city search, Foursquare, and so on and so on. So these pages need a lot more information. For example, this one needs a phone number. Most of them need a phone number. These ones don't have websites. So as you can see, there's just a little bits of information they need to add. It's quite important that they do add them. And then finally we have duplicates. So all of these are duplicated pages. So as you can see, this is a Google Plus page, which is just a duplicate. And then all of these are duplicated Google Plus pages. And then we have YP duplicated pages. And then insider pages, super pages, Yelp, and local ease. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. It might be localized, I'm not sure. But yeah, these are all duplicated sites. And then if you want to pay, you can actually use Moz Local to improve your rankings locally. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just showing you the free tool and the free local SEO checker with moz.com. It's free, it's really quick to use, and it's really easy to find your business as well. All you need to do is go to moz.com/local. You could type in your business here, or you could click check listing just here, and then search for your business just here. So let's search for another random business. So and then we've got Panera Bread. I'm not sure if I've pronounced that right again, but I think I have. And then it's just looking for the data. And here we go. So this one's a lot better. It's got an 87% score. So look, all of these pages are 100%, and then some are 95, some are 93. This one's 76, and then these ones, they don't have a page. So this company has done very well with their local SEO. So that could get them a lot of new customers via local SEO, which is absolutely fantastic. The only one inconsistent page is Hot Frog, and that's just because they're missing their website. So that's easy for them to fix if they had this tool. So yeah, I'd definitely recommend using this free tool. Just do it a few times every year, and then you can see if your website is going well with local SEO. So that's that. It's easy to use, it's great, it's free, and I recommend it to everyone. I'll leave a link in the resources section of this video. We're going to be talking about a free keyword tool called keywordtool.io. So let's get straight into it. As you can see, they generate keywords for Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay, and the App Store. So it's really, really good. And it also has different countries as well. So we have United States, Afghanistan, Algeria, and so on. And the same for YouTube, same for Bing, Amazon, eBay, and the App Store. So that's absolutely awesome. So what we're going to do is type in a keyword. Let's just type in online courses. And let's have Google UK for United Kingdom in English and click search. This is a great alternative for Google Keyword Planner. So here we go. For the pro version, you can look at search volume, cost per click, and AdWords competition, but that's not too important. You can look at all of the different keywords just here. So from here, from online courses, there's 595 unique keywords found. And to copy them all, just click this button here. To export them all, click this button here and click either CSV or Excel file. And then to select the ones you want to copy, use this little tick box just here. So tick the ones you want to copy. So just by ticking them like this, and then click copy in the bottom right hand corner, and that will just copy the ones that you've got ticked. So that is absolutely awesome. And then we've got questions. So these are keywords which are just questions. So as you can see, are online courses worth it? Are online courses worth it UK? And so on and so on. And then if you want to have a quick look at the pro version, all you need to do is click this just here, and it says, if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, here we go, it's either $88 a month, $68 a month, or $48 a month. And that gives you search volume data, cost per click data, AdWords competition data, 2 times more keywords, and much more. So that's absolutely awesome. And it's not too expensive. It depends how often you're going to use it, of course, because if you're not going to use it too much, there's no point paying out all the money for it. And if you don't like it, there's also a 30-day money-back guarantee to get a full refund. And as you can see, trusted by all these different companies as well. So now you know that it's a great tool to use. And if I scroll back to the top and go back to the main website, that is keywordtool.io. I recommend it for everyone. Even if you're just going to use the free version to find keywords, it's really good. So now we're going to have a look at keywords related to the phrase HTML courses. So as you can see, they have found 203 unique keywords. So there's absolutely tons of them, pages and pages. You can click copy all and you've got them all copied. So that is awesome. We then have Amazon. So let's have a quick look at Amazon. HTML courses on Amazon has nothing. So if I type iPhone case, because that gets searched a lot on there, as you can see, we have all of the keywords, which is good for that. There's absolutely tons. So if you're looking at Amazon or eBay, look for keywords related to products. If you look at Google, YouTube, Bing, look at keywords related to absolutely anything you want to optimize. And finally, we have App Store. And then if I type in Angry Birds, like so, we will get 100 keywords. There we have Angry Birds, Angry Birds 2, Blast, Free, Movie, Rio, and so on and so on. There's absolutely loads. So yeah, they all work really well. They're all absolutely awesome. Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay, and App Store. You can use any of them. You can select the country. You can select the language. You can also filter them. So yeah, this is awesome. It's free. It's awesome. And you can also unlock more parts of this tool by paying if you want to. But you don't have to. The best part is free, actually getting the keywords. And yeah, so that's that. That is keywordtool.io. Hopefully you all enjoy it. Hopefully you all learned a lot. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.